Let me show y'all how I use this coat as a pattern for this coat, which is reversible, that I made for my daughter. And we're going to jump right into it so I can show y'all how to cut out this pattern piece. I just laid it on my little tracing paper. It's really not tracing paper, it's like a thick waxing paper, but I just use it because it's been working for me until I can get some more pattern paper. So I just basically trace out the coat, which you guys can see I'm doing right here. And I wanted it to be like a crop coat, so I didn't have to trace out the bottom part. I just used, like where I wanted my coat to stop, and I just did it from there.